To enable the collaboration with the external users, I will open the Entra portal, entra.microsoft.com, and log in with the work account. This is a global admin account that I'm logged in with right now to do the changes on the tenant. I will go to the identity and users, all users in the Entra portal. Under the all users, you will see there is a blade for user settings, and the user settings let you select the default user role permissions, guest user access, administration center related settings. For an instance, you want to restrict the access to the Microsoft Entra admin center. Guest users should not be able to access it. Show keep users sign in or external collaboration settings you can manage by clicking on this hyperlink, manage collaboration settings. Here we have guest user access that we can control, like guest users have the same access as members, which is most inclusive, not a good idea. Guest inviting settings, who can invite. You can enable the guest self service sign up via user flows also, that users can sign up as a guest member through the applications. So these settings can be turned on. This is to automate the self sign up or self service sign up of the external users as a guest to the tenant. We also can maintain the external identities related settings by going to the identity blade, and under the identity blade we have a setting for the external identities, as you see here. And under the external identities we have settings for user flows or the custom tenant, cross tenant access settings or custom authentication settings. Here we have a blade external collaboration settings. For the external collaboration settings, we can configure the guest invite settings or the guest user access. You see the settings were available already from the hyperlink that I clicked. So we have now come to this blade where these settings were configured basically. So users access, we can make it most restrictive. For an instance, so guest users access is restricted to the properties and memberships of their own directory only. They can't see anything because they are the external people and have been invited as a guest. How do we invite the guests? We will see in the next lab exercise, the next video. Guest invite settings we can configure here, that anyone in the organization can invite the guest users, including the guests and the non-admins, which is most inclusive. So you can decide members, users, and user assigned to the specific admin roles can invite. So only the members or the people who have been given access to invite the guests can only invite the guests to this tenant that I can configure. I can do the collaboration restrictions here, like deny the invitations to the specified domains. So I can do the whitelisting, blacklisting by doing this allow or deny list from here. Well, I will save these settings. This is how we can configure the collaboration settings for the external identities in our Entra tenant. I hope this was informative to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.